Hey, welcome to the BudgetEase broadcast. Let's talk about something that sneaks up on small businesses and nonprofits every single year. January, it's 1099 time. If last year you had frantically emailed vendors for missing W-9s while muttering, "never again," good news. This year you can skip the scramble. Here's how to make 1099 prep smooth, simple, and dare I say stress-free. If you need to know who gets a 1099, check out our blog. The link is below in the comments. But what do? You start by setting up 1099 tracking in QuickBooks. It's a small switch in your settings, but it makes a big difference. From day one, your bookkeeping service can start capturing the right data. No backtracking required. Next, get organized with vendor information. As soon as you get a W-9, plug those details into the vendor's profile under tax settings, then use QuickBooks Attach feature to store the W-9 right there. No more inbox archaeology come January. If you're manually issuing 1099s, attach a copy to each vendor's profile. That way, when someone inevitably asks for a reprint next year, you'll be ready with zero drama. Before year-end wraps up, run a review using the 1099 wizard in QuickBooks. It'll flag missing info so you can fix it now, not in a panic later. And don't forget, non-employee compensation goes on Form 1099 NEC, not 1099 miss anymore. If you're filing by mail, which we do not recommend, make sure you've got the right forms and envelopes. We recommend instead try tax1099.com, or better yet, outsource it to someone who does. That's where BudgetEase comes in. Whether you need QuickBooks catch-up or a reliable bookkeeping service, or just want someone else to chase those W-9s down, we've got you covered. Because let's be honest, scrambling in January is not a growth strategy. Hey, thanks for joining us for this BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.